Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 back to school tips, and today's video is also in collaboration with Mapiful. And if you have never seen this company, it is so cool. You can create custom maps and also views of the stars. They have a ton of different prints that you can create, and they're totally 100% customizable. So the one that I'm showing you that I did here was actually my wedding day, and that is one of my favorite moments so far. So what you can do is you can actually type in a location anywhere in the world and also a date, and it will show you what the stars in the night sky looked like on that exact day at that exact location. So I got married in Oceanside, California on November 27th, 2019. So I basically just typed in all of that information on their website, and it generates a map and it shows you what the stars looked like. So it's super cool. I actually got this as a little gift for my husband, and he's absolutely loving it. Since this is a back to school video, I have a really cool link in my description box that you can click on from Mapiful, and it is a downloadable back to school kit. It's completely free, and it has a bunch of really cute recipes. There's printout for your kids. There are inspirational quotes to get you motivated for the new year. All kinds of stuff, completely free. Like I said, it is linked in my description box, so make sure you click on it and you can print out some really cute stuff. Mapiful also does have free shipping worldwide, so definitely check out Mapiful. It is really cute way to customize a special moment that means a lot to you. First tip is to create a space that you love and enjoy being at. So I know with COVID, a lot of kids are having to do virtual learning from home this year. A lot of people are stuck working from home, so you need to be in a space that you love. So what I like to do is I found some of my favorite pens and highlighters, and I put them in a cute little cup. I added a little picture to my desk that makes me happy when I look at it. I added some accessories that I just really enjoy being around and make me happy. I added a really cute screensaver to the back of my computer. I got myself a nice comfy desk chair. So basically, just do things that make you happy, because you're going to be sitting in this desk, studying, doing homework, working for hours on end every single day. So it needs to be a space that you really enjoy and that makes you happy. So that is how I did this. Tip number 2 is to get organized. So I wanted to find a way to organize all of my supplies that I have. So I found this little organizer from IKEA, and then I got little bins from the dollar store, and I went ahead and organized everything. So my pencils had one bin, my highlighters had one bin, my pens had one bin, and everything just very neat, so I don't have to get up constantly throughout the day if I need something. It's just right next to my desk, and I have everything I could possibly need. So this is a great idea for if you are working at home or you are homeschooling your kids. That way they don't have to get up and get distracted. They can just have everything that they possibly need nice and neat right next to them, and they are ready to go. Tip number 3 is to make a schedule. So something that I love to do is have a planner. And I don't like to use my phone. I like to actually have a planner that I can physically write everything out. So first I decorate it really cute. I just have my little ultrasound of my little baby, and then I have 3 inspirational quotes that I have, and I just tape them on there. And then what I like to do is at the beginning of the month just plan out my whole entire schedule. I will write important dates. I will write doctor's appointments. I will write when all of our bills are due, how much we owe, just literally everything. Passwords, usernames, everything is in my planner. So I just take the time. I use cute little markers. I also have little stickers, and I just decorate it, and it makes it really fun. It makes it cute. It makes me want to plan every single month, and it also keeps everything nice and organized so you don't lose track during your hectic week. Tip number 4 is to get healthy. And you will find that if you're eating healthy and nutritious food, you're going to have a lot more energy throughout the day. You're not going to feel sluggish and tired. You're going to be full of energy and motivation. So, what I like to do is hop on Pinterest. I like to search healthy recipes and get some good inspiration. I also make sure I'm drinking a lot of water throughout the day. Another thing I like to do if I'm getting tired of water is Crystal Light packages. This is basically just like a flavor that you pour into your water. It has like 0 calories, zero everything. I get the lemonade one, it's really good. And this kind of just switches it up a little bit if I'm getting bored of water, but I am still staying nice and hydrated. So I go ahead and do that. Also, I like to snack on healthy things throughout the day. Like I said, this just gives me so much more energy and I don't feel so tired. So I like to snack on fresh fruit such as strawberries and bananas, stuff like that. I love these little acai bowls. They're so delicious. They come with fruit and granola, and it's a very quick little snack full of nutrients. I also like to snack on granola bars, nut bars, everything like that. But just get yourself some healthy snacks, get yourself hydrated, and find some inspiration for healthy meals. My last tip is to have some ways that instantly motivate you. So, we are all going to have those bad days every once in a while. What I like to do is to hop onto Pinterest. I like to type in motivational quotes or inspirational quotes and just read the things that they have on there. And that just kind of gets my spirits lifted. We're all going to have bad days. If you wake up in a bad mood, don't let it ruin the rest of your day. Try to have something that always makes you a little bit more happy, whether it's going for a walk or reading a book. Something that is just going to lift your spirits and help you get through the day on a more positive note. Alright, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much to Mapiful for partnering with me on today's video. Make sure you guys go check out that link for your free downloadable back to school kit. It is in my description box. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye, guys!